It's Oliver here from Cohort Wealth. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick video. It's going to be the technical analysis of one of our favourite pairs that we use, which is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Starting on the weekly chart, we can see that we've had, over the space of the last sort of 15 years, there's been a bit of a rising uptrend going on here. As you can see, there's been three sort of major touches to that upward trend. Most recent started sort of mid to back end of last year. As you can see if we zoom in, we had the formation of what we call a higher low at this point, which is where the most recent low was actually higher than the previous low. This is a sign that the momentum's changing in the markets, and it's in fact could be sort of bullish signal towards future events. Also, as you can see on the weekly, the last candle has closed above the 50 EMA, which is another sort of bullish signal showing that the momentum's now traded above that sort of level, and that this EMA is going to start curving back up towards the grey EMA here, which is the 200 EMA. If we drop down to the weekly chart, we can see it gives us a clearer view of this higher low that we had formed at this level. It also shows us that the price of this on this chart is actually trading above the 200 EMA as well, with the 50 EMA coming up to close through that. That's another signal that the momentum's changing and that the bulls are coming into the market and it's starting to move up in an upwards motion. It's been a bit of a channel formed on this. Plot this on through these sort of high points here. Draw that onto there, and then the low has been similar to this sort of long-standing trend, a bit more of a rising support on that one. As you can see, that's held quite a few times in the past with 1, 2, 3, 4 hits to that resistance level and 4 hits, I say, to the support level on that. As you may know from sort of traditional charting patterns, a rising wedge like this in a downtrend normally signifies that it's going to continue the downtrend and break out to the downside. But having seen what we've seen on the weekly chart, to me, my sort of sentiment's bullish on this pair at the moment, with confluences such as these two EMAs wanting to cross upwards and the higher low being formed. So from this pair at the minute, we'd be looking for a breakout above this channel, which would signify that the momentum has indeed changed and it's going to start heading back up. Also, we'd want these two EMAs to cross, which is another add sort of further confidence to that move. In terms of where we're looking at in targets, initial targets will probably be somewhere around this level. As you can see, there's a sort of key level that's been support in the past and now turned resistance around this sort of level, which we could use as an initial target. As you can see, potentially more. So from this, we'd be looking at a breakout above this channel. We want these two to cross, and then we're looking for long positions upwards towards this resistance level. Hope this has been of some help, and we'll come back to you with more videos soon. Thanks.